welcome to another video. So today's video we are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the month of February 2018. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Guys, so let's just go ahead and jump in and break into it. I haven't peeked in. I wasn't a little cheater this month at all, so we are gonna break into it together. I'm super excited. Hopefully this month is a good one and we don't have any disappointments. I don't know. Let's take this thing out. And okay, so the first thing that I see is this, obviously the biggest thing that's in the box. And this is so awesome. This is like a holographic, really nice packaging. This is the Naked Cosmetics. And I did see this one on a little splurge that they had, like on their little sneak peek. And I am super excited that I got this one. This is the exact box that I was hoping for, because I honestly did not want to get the other version of the Boxycharm. So far, I'm excited. This is obviously the little palette. You flip it up. It does not have a mirror, but that's okay. And these are little highlighters. How gorgeous are these? Oh my God. I do not have anything like this in my collection. These colors are pretty interesting. And let me just read off of the little thing. This is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. And this retails for $39.99. We only pay $21 a month for our Boxycharm, so this alone just already paid off for it. So it's such a good deal. We are gonna move right along. I am so excited that I got. So the next thing that we got in our box is this thing right here, and this is by the brand Pure. And this says it's a plumping lip exfoliator. So this is what this looks like. It looks and feels. It smells pretty good. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it does have like little beads in there to exfoliate the lips, and that's really good. I don't have anything like this, and that's good because I do get crusty lips sometimes. And this thing right here retails for $17. And moving right along, you guys, we are also getting this. This is a Cover FX Shimmer Veil. I think this one is like the star of the show. This color is super gorgeous, and I know that this thing can be used in different ways. So let's just swatch it. The color is super gorgeous, and this one, I think it's in the color Amethyst. Yeah, so it's in the color Amethyst. It's really pretty. Look how blinding it is. Oh, it's so pretty. So this, I would use it for my eyeshadow. This really reminds me of like the Stila, you know, those shimmer metals. I don't have any of those, but I'm super excited that I have this because I think this would be very similar to it. Or you could use it as a highlighter. So yeah, super excited to get this in the box. And this retails for $28. Moving right along, we got this right here. And this is a vintage smoky eye pencil in the color Jet Black. This is what that looks like. It did glide on very soft, very smoothly. This thing retails for $21. How is this pencil $21? I wouldn't pay that for a black eye pencil. No. But that's how much we got our box for, and it is totally worth it. I'm so glad that this was also included in it. The next thing we got are these right here, and these are some crown brushes. So this is a trio, and this brush set retails for $29.99. Now these remind me of like the Wet n Wild brushes, how they're pink and white, really cute. These crown brushes do have like that little dent so you could hold it in place. This is so cool. I like that it has that, and the quality feels so good. Oh my God, I really like them. So about these little crown brushes, it says use this 3-pack Pro Brush Trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used as to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. And the next one is for the cheekbone. So yeah, there are those three right in there. So yeah, guys, this completes the box. This box was awesome. I'm super impressed. I love Boxycharm. It never fails me. It hasn't failed me so far. I'm excited that I got this version of the box. Like I said, like I really had my fingers crossed because they do little different versions of Boxycharm boxes. So not everybody gets the exact same thing. So I'm so glad that I did get this box because I am really digging this little highlight palette. I am digging the little star of the show, which is this one. It's Cover Effects. I love Cover Effects. It's such a good brand. And I'm excited to see if it really works for the eyes. So yeah, let me add up this box and let's go ahead and wrap it up. All right, guys. So to wrap up the video, our whole value of this month's box was $145 with 98 cents. We only paid $21. This is so worth it. And I forgot, by the way, our theme for this month was Galaxy Glow. So it's so within the theme because we got the holographic and then we got that little, this right here, guys, just to let you guys know, like I'm rubbing this so hard and it's not going nowhere. Like this is very durable. I cannot wait to use it. And I also did do little swatches of that little palette. It's really hard to see, but they are really, really pretty. And then you could just lightly build them up as how you would like to use them. So yeah, guys, I hope that you guys liked this video. I know I was like all over the place. My coffee just got to me. I'm caffeinated. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, let me know. If you are a new subby, so I could subscribe right back to you. And don't forget to ring my little bell to get further notifications. And I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.